If I want to make a new document in my Google Drive, I go to the left-hand corner where it says New, and I can choose to either make a document, a Google Sheets, or a Google Slides. But for today, I'm going to make a document, and it will open this page. And I can type what I want, so I'm just going to say So once I have what I want it to say, I'm going to title it. And then I can either share it with someone here. I can enter their name or email address. I can also get a shareable link there too to share it. And then if I go to File, Move To, and then I choose my 270 folder, I can move it there.